My son just called me saying that there were a bunch of ducks in the front yard. They're beside the car? Oh, oh, it's the mother and ducklings. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, look at that, guys. Wow. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my. I think they're gonna go towards the garden because, oh no, they're getting separated from their mom. Mama, why did you leave your ducklings? No, they're under the plants. I guess they'll meet up back over on the other side. She's calling them. There they are, going through the bush. You know, I think there's still water over there because it's pretty waterlogged. That's so cool. Check out my peony, guys.